Hello. So, how are you today? Today we are going to speak about a topic that is very beautiful, which is procrastination. And what do you think is procrastination? Skipping any work or not taking any action or not even starting anything. And I think it is the mixture of all of these things. Like, if I be honest, procrastination is also a biggest enemy of mine. If I have to do a work, then I will just say I will do it next day or after an hour or after a month. But I don't do that after a month also. And that is procrastination. You know what? There are many days when I know what I have to do. The I know the things which is lacking in my schedule, or maybe some work is left. But still, I know that my work is left, like editing a video or recording a video or doing my homework, or it can be anything. But still, I don't do that. Still, I don't start. But and also, I used to watch anime, I used to scroll reels, I used to scroll YouTube shorts a lot at that time. And what the funny part is, I know that what I have to do, but still I don't used to start. I will continue scrolling the reels, I will doom scroll all the day, but I will not do that the work which I have to do. And then I used to think that where did the whole day go? Gone. Suddenly, it from morning it becomes evening, and from evening it becomes night, and then the next day it happens in repeats and repeats daily. It's like very, you know, it's slowly becoming in my schedule that procrastinating everything is like becoming normal for me, and that is not good for me or for anyone. And maybe you have felt this too, yeah. You know what scares me? Like, I don't really scares about leaving or skipping one session of workout, skipping recording one video, skipping one like editing one video. But what I scare of is becoming one day, the becoming 1 2 days, becoming 2 3 days, then 3 days in a week. Then if I procrastinate daily, it will become my habit. And you know that it is not easy to break an habit, or it is not easy to develop an habit over a night. And that's where I used to scare a lot. Like, if I procrastinated my things, then I will get a habit of procrastinating. And it is not, as I told you, that it is not a overnight thing, of changing habit. It will become one by one. One small decision, one procrastination, and one action will ultimately make one habit. Like, it is also in negative way, also in positive way. If you had read the book Atomic Habit, you may know, and I had also read that. But still, I know these small habits will make me down, will, will make me down, or I am not getting the word, but it will not help me. It will, maybe it can make a bad habit of me, and I know I should not do that, but still I continues. And I don't know. And I figured out something, that I don't want my future to be decided by small excuses. I don't want that in future, if I had a bad habit, it may start like I excused in my childhood. Then I don't want that in future also, that habit comes with me. And what I noticed, it when I have to do some work, I used to say that, oh, it's I have to finish it. But I realized that if the work isn't really hard, I still don't do that, cause I think the starting is hard. Like, if I do the work for 10 minutes at least, it will be much better than just thinking about it just thinking about it an hour. Like if you start, then maybe you will do it for 10 minutes, maybe for an half an hour, but you will do, and that is better than not doing the thing or just not taking the action. And what I used to tell myself that I have to do this, at least I have to start the work. Then in the most cases I used to work. Like I am not fixed totally, but still I am overcoming from this procrastination habit. And I am not saying that I will not procrastinate in future. Maybe I will, and I will definitely. I have believe on myself, but I still don't want to be the person who procrastinate everything. I don't want that identity which says that hey, this person procrastinate everything. And if I choose actions over my excuses, then maybe a little, but I will be closer to the person I want to be. And I think that's how we can, defeat the procrastination. Not by just being motivated, not just waiting for the perfect time, not just waiting for our mood, but just starting, just beginning anything, just starting anything from zero. It will make you to reach at maybe 1 or maybe 10, but at least you start. If you will start, maybe you will definitely will get to your ending. And I don't know this is correct or not, but for me I think it is correct, because I had also figured it out, because I don't know how did I, but I did. And you may also do have some other ways to defeat the procrastination, or you can take my advice. And yeah, I think for that is for today. See you in the next video. Sayonara.